Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Shop app on your phone. For that, open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right, search bar at the top, and then search for Shop app. Look at the official app. Look for the one by Shopify Inc. Tap the install button on Android or get on iPhone. Once it's done, tap open to start using the Shop app. And that's it. Now you can track orders, pay securely, and shop with ease using the Shop app. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.